I got mine right in Scotland. You see, right at the airport.
Did
you? Yeah.
You guys are way too good for me. I'm not as domesticated as
Apron, and I'm saying, oh, I have that same one at home, but it's a full apron. And then she shakes it, and it's like, oh my god.
I'm gonna pick that same one at home.
But mine's a little newer, or it's not so soft. It's still a little harder. Yeah, mind you, I've had it like 6 years, but like I only wash it. Only use it.
Probably I've had it about 6 years too.
Oh, yeah?
Well, if they're exactly the same, chances
Did you buy yours at the airport?
No, it was a gift. I don't know.
Oh, okay, because I got mine at the airport at Glasgow, so we could have both, because you were over there.
Right,
like,
Jen bought it for me, so I'm not quite sure where she got it.
It's really nice. And I really like what you did with that on top of the cousins.
It's lovely, isn't it?
That really is.
That was
professional.
Yeah.
Hot. Hey, I'm not working. Okay.
Hey.
Okay, so you got
Jacqui.
Shady. This is Chihuahua. Because he's Slim Shady. He's the real Shady.
Oh. No, David, please.
Okay.
Shady gets really nervous.
This is hi, puppy.
Shady. Okay, Shady, come on. Don't worry about my shoes. Come on, they're so wet. That's okay. We can wipe Shady.
Here, I'll
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi.
Hello. Long time no see, eh?
Nice apron. Love it.
No, thank you.
Very festive.
Hello, Benjamin.
Hi.
Is it warm outside?
Hi, Uncle Dave.
Say it ain't summer, Uncle Dave.
Is it warm out there, Benjamin?
Oh, they're so cute.
What way you going there, bud?
Merry
Yeah.
Christmas. Hi, Merry Christmas, baby. Hello, Benjamin. Hi.
Shall?
You go
So what do you do?
About a month. Yeah, pretty
We
soon.
weren't sure. I was asking Daniel, and he's clueless, man.
Yeah, about a month from today.
Wow.
Yeah, so pretty soon.
Yeah, another
Still getting
aquarium.
bad out there?
It's windy. It's just blowing a lot. And I think it's worse as you head out here.
I thought so too. We came from Toronto, and there was nothing in Toronto, and
Hopefully it doesn't get too bad. Because those puppies are cute, eh? Really little.
Oh my God, my camera recognizes the dog's face. That's funny.
I'll put them. Hey,
Doesn't recognize the cat's face, but recognizes the dog's face.
but you don't even know.
Hi, David. You are so cute.
Oh
This is my
yeah.
grandson.
Oh. He is beautiful. I think I knew that. So, Janine, do you know what you're having? You're awesome. Yeah. Oh, yeah? Well. Oh, awesome. My cousin. I know. I have so many friends. And you're my friend, too, buddy.
Always fine.
You got a wonderful smile. Did Santa Claus come to your house last night?
I brought you tracks.
That is awesome. We saw your pictures Uncle David took of you on Christmas Eve.
Yeah. I put them on the internet. Hey, I saw you a couple of days ago, didn't I? Yeah.
This is your other family. We never see. Once I ever come to visit you, Ben. You see us once a year. Oh, he's so beautiful. Can I have a
When she
hug?
was little, when she was sitting in a high chair, there's a picture of she had lots of hair.
Oh, you're so
He's got a lot of hair.
But yeah, you got a lot more.
Benjamin, can I have some of your hair?
He just got.
Well, yeah, that's good. You don't have our
Okay.
side.
Do you have a pair of scissors? I'm going to attack Leslie for her hair.
He seems to have his dad's personality.
Why, you want to put some
He
on
looks a
top?
lot like
Yeah, I'm going to take it
Needs the other one in the
and take some glue.
The opposite.
Oh, maybe I'll save my
Never the
armpits.
same.
There you go.
That's a great idea. David.
And anyways, her strict orders, did you hear me say?
Yeah, I did.
She's not to be healthy.
Are you hungry?
She's been really busy.
Come see, come
Girl's
see.
like almost 9 months pregnant. I want her sitting.
She goes there.
No, but she's just heavy and tired. And looking after a 3-year-old. So I said, I'm doing all the work.
Come on, man.
No, I know, but that's what I mean. Everyone will understand. I want her to sit and not be much.
She should, yeah.
Well, you know,
That's nice, Mom. You like that.
She had a car. Yeah. Well, that's like, yeah. We have to like January, and that's this year,
But it's close, I know that.
Whoops, sorry.
And to not be grandma, considering our mom, my mom, and your mom are very
I know. So it's like I kind of broke the heart too.
So you're glad you
We
came?
tried by having Daniel really young.
Yeah.
You know, like it's almost like you were going to, but if he was a girl, he'd probably chances of you being a girl.
Perhaps, but look at Megan. She has no.
But she's that much younger. Who knows?
Yeah, you're right. She's only 25. That's right.
Yeah. So who knows? But
Megan 25. That's still a shock to me, you know.
Yes, you did. You
I did
Mm-hmm.
because what was I? 57.
Yes, I was
And my own grandmother,
28.
she died at 58. So.
I was
58. No, she was.
29 when I had Ben.
Oh, you mean on our from mom's side?
Yeah, her
No, mom, 73.
No, old Nana was 73.
Was she 73?
Yeah.
Oh,
Was it
yeah,
the
she was
accident when
73.
she was 58?
I think
That's what I'm
perhaps,
thinking.
yeah. Because she
Yeah.
was in her 70s when it was Mom who. Mom at 59 is very young.
I know. I'm older than she is. At this point in time, I'm older
Yeah,
than
isn't
she
that
is.
incredible?
And you know, like I remember saying, you know, you'll always be older.
Yeah.
There is a way of catching up.
Yeah. I can't tell you though, it's a really good indication of lifestyle.
Janine, how about you
Oh,
sit
yeah.
down? We'll pull this out. Here's another chair.
Yeah, oh, here, no, so you sit here, I sit on. No,
Fine, really. I promise.
you're not.
Look, there's
my
two
chair.
back there.
I don't want
Do you want this chair?
No, it's okay.
Or do you happy walking around?
Go to the back, sit. Can I get you a drink?
Okay, I'm coming down here.
Where'd you put your near beer?
I think it's in the fridge. But
Actually, this bird is giving me heartburn.
I'll come sit with Nana.
Yeah, there you go.
Again, do it again.
You're making me sick.
Making you sit? Well, you should sit.
I know. I'm just letting you know.
Okay, take it back to you.
Your awesome son's not shy at all. Just now sits to bed. Came up and I can give you a hug and he goes right in.
Aw.
I mean, last thing was that terrorist. It's like he just jumped right in.
Yeah, he's
He's trusting and
He's good.
What did you go? You brought that from home.
There's
I
appetizers.
recognize it.
Oh, thank you.
What are you doing on the
Thanks,
floor?
Jackie. It looks great out there.
I bet you were. Yeah, no. I can see. Here we are.
What time is it, Leslie? Come on.
You see how this one works?
I should try to log into the Wi-Fi here, so I'm not using my G3. You might walk around using
Juice?
That's a juice that gets
Apple, we got.
You know, I asked you just a few minutes ago.
I know, you did, I did, we all did, so that's good. I'm glad, you know, just.
Yeah, have you got
Better than-
cranberry juice?
better than last year, I think. Oh, you got that.
Good pop.
Yeah, it's going around there.
We're a
I
coffee
had
family.
I wasn't gonna come here to get over it, I went to go near Nana or Jacqui, right?
Was it like a cold flu or a nausea flu?
No, it was cold flu. I feel bad, it's like I smoked again. It's not, even today, I'm on good medicine, so I'm pretty high on this. You gotta wash it.
Dirty.
Well, you know what you do? You put soap in the sink, you get the dog, put the dog in the sink, and wash the dishes.
I'm feeling, my fever's gone, everything's good.
I was
Yeah.
sick beginning of December.
Hey,
I was too.
look at you.
With the stomach.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I got one in.
I've had
I'm
a flu
taking the
shot
subway
for
all the
30
time,
years.
I know, I should.
I always get the flu
You
shot.
go to Subway like me, everybody's, there's people from all over, like, I know, I knew I was gonna get it.
I heard that you're going to start bringing Viral or the GO train right to Hamilton City.
Yeah,
The GO train already goes there.
it does.
No.
It does, but you can't get it here.
No, the GO train, 2 trains, if you commute, go right to James Street. The green GO train goes there.
Right.
I see them up there, but I
You mean you can,
It
so,
started 2 years ago.
I
Alright, Benji, that's my boy.
Lots of pictures on.
Yeah,
That's still shots, right? Not just video?
no, this one's a video.
Yeah.
This
I
is
like
video.
the still shot. The videos are great too, but
I gotta get my own phone. Any chance I
And then he was, like, he sat with us the whole day one day.
Awesome? Something awesome? What are you doing in
Reese
there?
is awesome.
What?
Yeah.
Reese,
Oh,
Mike
the
and Lori's
dog.
dog, yeah.
Yeah.
should you bring any good stuff back?
Do you eat?
What?
Do you eat some
We brought back a
munchies?
bottle
Yeah.
of thing and,
How about rum and Jamaican rum?
Yeah, we got
That 120 proof, 180 proof, isn't it?
everyone
180.
was mentioning that, but we didn't get that. We got
Oh
just
God,
Jamaican rum.
I remember making a punch. One time we used to make punches, big bowl,
Yeah.
and we put in half a bottle of Jamaican rum. And it was supposed to be a night party. Everybody had like one drink and they were like knocked right out.
Yeah.
And it just completely crashed the party.
Every excursion we went on, they had jugs of rum punch.
Rum punch,
And it's
yeah.
just like, here you go, glasses.
So the rum, I know.
And that's why everybody's so friendly.
I'm surprised. What do you think it was? Do you think it was just too
What
much
did we have?
sun?
Well, that night we had pizza.
Yeah.
It was good. I don't know
What's
what it
this?
was.
Get little, did you buy like bracelets and stuff?
Yeah, this one guy made these.
Oh, that
He
is
sized
so
up our wrist, and then
nice.
I bought this one, and we came back, and he's like, I made a heart for
Hey,
your
Mom.
princess.
Pretty lady. Hey, pretty lady. You hear a lot of that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that was
Where have you been? Have you been in Jamaica?
Yeah. It was a long time ago.
I'm just saying it. You enjoying yourself?
Rios.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I went
You
to...
doing good, Mom? You enjoying
I
yourself?
went to,
So the garage, go say hi to him too.
Yeah, it was wicked.
So you like the bathing suit worked for you? It was
Oh,
cool
yeah.
enough? It was Quicksilver. So
It was awesome.
Yeah, good. Okay, good.
Merry Christmas.
Sorry you were a little later than yeah.
Oh, it's piling up a bit, eh?
The weather is easy out there.
It's ugly up there.
you guys been here for a while?
We've been here a half hour.
Okay, but I think there must be people in the garage or something. I kind of want to get a soaker.
Don't leave me behind! Why do you keep doing that? They were hanging in the little hallway over there. You know where they were locked?
Don't pop it out, you heard her?
Yeah.
No, wait, I'm trying to throw out the edge.
Stop! Yay!
I didn't die. I didn't die.
Yeah.
I said I use it like twice a year when I go up north. That's it. You're on your foot.
Merry Christmas.
Somebody
Yeah.
spilled beer. Cheers.
Is it Jake?
Yeah, feel that it was coffee. Are you drinking?
That's what we're here for.
David, you got a good picture. Hey!
How you doing?
Yay!
Hey, Olivia.
Cut the top off.
Hello.
This was the guy who gave me the watch. Everywhere, like the gift shop.
Not right now. At some point. Jake, Papa.
You know how...
I really wanted
Nothing weird, eh, Mike?
In Africa we have...
really
I feel like I wish myself...
Justin, don't.
Oh my goodness, what are you back there?
No, no. No, honey, don't.
Yeah, on the other side. I see the you guys.
I'm sure your mother would have made.
To the dark and the endless sky, my love. And the first time I felt the earth move.
That's why he's gotta be good.
Through my hands. Like the trembling heart
I feel like I should have a parent.
of a captive bird.
Where's the doggy?
It's okay. Come on.
See the doggy?
Where's the beer?
That was there
She sees the dog.
at my command. And the first time ever I lay with you.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really worth it. Has anybody seen Daniel's Christmas present? He's got me looking high and low for it. No, I've looked everywhere. It won't be obvious. By any chance that anyone... I don't know. That's right. He's put the onus on me, and I don't know. He didn't take care of it. I don't know where it is.
You put it in the car?
I don't know what he's done with it.
Oh, God, I did Janice.
But no, you know, anyhow.
What's up, Uncle David?
Someday in the future, you're gonna look back on this and you're gonna say, "That's me."
Get Trixie. She's old.
I have you. What's it? You, Olivia, and Justin in the hall playing from years ago when you were little kids.
Trixie?
Yeah, I got your doggy. You know what's in there? Extra rum balls in case people wanted them.
Did people have that many?
Yeah, I just want to get rid of them now. I made them and I'm just gonna get rid of them.
Need too much.
Yeah.
Hey, burp. I don't want burp on camera.
Saying it's so different.
People can take the rum balls if they want.
Yeah, they want to be pet, yeah.
But that's
Like you
young
don't
cat.
put her down.
No, but that's like, no. Yeah. That's obviously she's still full of life.
I'm walking away. Although I wake up. Who was it?
I forgot his name.
Maybe Heather.
Oh, there.
So Dave.
What calendar?
My rabbit. You never know.
Yeah, I forget what the word is.
Oh, the animal.
The one you just bought me, I forget how you started reading.
I can't remember.
Are you reading?
I just finished some book. I don't know who it's by.
Oh, God, no, please, no.
What are you reading?
I'm reading Mayfish. She just died. She's an Irish writer, and so she writes feel-good stories. Actually, I shake it up. I do everything. Did you read the 50 Shades of Grey? Yeah, like I just bounce all over the place.
Yeah.
Okay, bye, bye, everybody. I gotta say goodbye. Wow.
Oh my God.
It's really awesome to see you.
No.
Bye, bye, say.
Don't look.
Bye.
See you later.
Bye, big diamond. Take care. Happy New Year.
Bye. You're not getting a kiss.
Christmas.
I got no problem with that, dude.
Yeah, I got no problem with that either.
Bye.
Yeah.
No.
Yes. You know what this can do? It can recognize faces. Recognize a person's face and.
Yeah, that's not good.
No, that's cool.
Check the weather. Okay.
That's cool.
And guess what? The wind, it blows.
And you was,
Got a bit of a kick.
oh yeah, that's the whole idea. They're supposed to have a kick.
It's like 2 ounces of alcohol in one of these things.
Yeah, there are 2 different kinds of alcohol.
Amaretto?
Rum and brandy.
Brandy.
It will knock you off your feet. It's milk chocolate, coconut, graham crackers, the cheapest I could find. It's great. Yeah, they are different. They're guaranteed to knock you off your feet.
Did knock me off my feet.
You had one?
I had 3.
Oh, get it. You had 3? You're serious? You had 3 and they didn't knock you off your feet?
I watched her eat all 3 of them.
I take it in here? It's fine.
How many do you have?
All right, okay, you and I, we're gonna do 3 right now.
No, I don't want to have another 3. You have some.
No,
Let's see you.
I already had 4, and that was enough to really put me down for a little while.
Have another one. It's Christmas.
No.
There you go.
I'm gonna get a little twist card.
Awesome.
We're getting a bag of cookies.
Yeah.
The rum ball goes good with my rum.
Maybe it's more than you normally use it to.
Tomorrow's forecast.
Oh, there's no normal.
It'd be good to know
Really?
how much time you get on your battery.
Good.
Maybe can you Google?
If it goes to nothing at all, then it might turn off by itself, but.
Yeah, it's just giving you warnings that if you tried to
Play on it and stuff.
or you tried to take
I'm
a
gonna
picture,
download a
it
movie.
wouldn't save, it wouldn't work.
I know, I hate that. I try to take a picture. No, you don't have enough battery. Why are you filming me, David?
Because
Why?
he does that.
Because that's what David does.
It will never end.
Eat your cosmic rumble. Eat your
I
cosmic
know, I
rumble.
watched Taco Dave film.
Eat your cosmic rumble.
Movie of people like eating and.
Okay, give us some cosmic words here.
I ate this rumble and it's insane.
So eat it. So finish it. Be cosmic.
This world.
It is out of this world. It is cosmic.
You actually didn't eat it. You only started to eat it.
It's
insane.
It is insane. I can't finish it.
Well, woof it down. Come on, you gotta get it
Are you
down.
crazy?
Yep.
You look one down.
I can woof one down, but I won't.
I just popped it.
You know what? But you know what? You know what?
What?
Is that your flash? The little thing that pops
Yeah.
up and then you can push it in?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's pretty sweet.
Ooh, cosmic experience. Oh boy.
Oh no, David, are you getting sweat?
Yeah, I'm not making them again. I'm telling you. They're fun,
Are we all
but
geeking out on our geeky toys right now? Should I bring up my laptop?
We're not geeky.
Yeah. Do it.
It is totally geeky.
It's not geeky, it's just electronically inclined.
Aw, look at all these
yeah, she's like my pussy cat. Wherever I am, she is.
Ow, what is that noise? It's your dog. It's not my dog.
That is not my dog. Yo.
Oh boy.
Dogs you know by? Can you smile, baby?
cord. I don't want to forget it, so I'm putting it
Okay.
Might take a porno.
That's it. No more rum balls. Really.
I'm just smiling.
You said that drum balls ago.